Unlike all the parks around my area at the moment, this one seems to be beautifully kept and obviously established. Now, I can see fish jumping in the pond. Straight in front of us there's turtles on the side there. Nice little pond. Oh, it's a scorcher. When I came out I thought it was going to rain, but right now it's a scorcher. Turtles, I think that's turtles over there. My eyes are rubbish, who knows. There's definitely fishes. There's one there coming up. And so what I thought I'd do is we go for a walk. Can't go wrong with a walk, can you? What's the worst that could happen other than we might see some nice things and I might talk a lot of bollocks for a while. So let's go and have a look around. We come equipped. We have cameras. So why not do camera things? So sun is shining, which is why I'm afraid we have to go with the hat my friends Charlie and Jen got me, because it's an absolute scorch and I don't want to burn my pathetically pale skin. My arms are good, but the rest of me is pale as can be. So it's, as I'm recording this, it's about, I don't know, it's a Thursday, might be a Wednesday. Anyway, we're in about 11th or 12th of December, that's the date. And what we're doing is, this is, as I said, second week in December. And what we will be doing is adding this to the collection. But you won't be seeing it until into January, maybe even February. It's nice here. This is a proper park. Someone's done something. So I'm just showing you a bit. I don't know what's here. I've never been here. This is all new by me as well. I like it. It's nice. It's a cool lizard. Let's have a look at the lizard. What do you reckon on that? Oh, there's another nice lizard here. Look. There you go. Bit of colour. So I don't know how far this park goes, how far I can walk. But I do know that I'm going to go for a walk and I'm going to enjoy it. And it's like, yeah, I like what they've done here. There's sort of different areas for different things. It's a nice little shed, rest area. I don't know what it is, shelter. That's cool. Nice paths up into the hill. We're going to try one of them, maybe. Maybe. Let's have a quick look over here so you can see what I'm looking at. So I found a small little lakey thing. We're going to go this way. We're going to cross the big river. Look at this, raging torrent. Well, okay, maybe not. Let's go this way. By the time you've seen this, I'll have been to and come back from the Philippines. Oh, monkey. Don't know if you're able to see this, just turn the camera around. Just at the foot of that tree is a monkey. Well, that's a good sign. A monkey. 2 monkeys. Oh, 3 monkeys. A whole troop of monkeys. I've got the wrong camera for this, really. I can't be zooming in on this. But that's good. There's some monkeys up there. Hey, this is great. This is really great. I mean, there's not that many areas where I just kind of would wander off into the woods in Malaysia. Well, in Johor. First, I'd probably have to ride too far. And secondly, there would be overgrown jungle rather than what we've got in front of us right now, which is kind of paths, you know. Those cicadas don't have to get loud. That was on the boil. Kettle's boiled, mum. After, oh, excuse me, breathing heavy. I've got the family lungs. What can you do? But anyway, we're going to keep walking. This is exciting. Which way to go? We're going to go this way. Because you can hear, I'm not a fit boy. It'd be a lot easier in England, because in England it'd be cool weather. Here it's humid as hell. So paths come to an end this way. There's more this way. Oh my god. Sorry about this. Nobody wants to hear me struggling to breathe. I've said this before. My family has a history of some kind of lung disease, which I'm pretty sure I'm going to get as well, which just effectively means that our lungs turn to stone. I don't think that's what really happens, but they just get less and less and less effective. Hey, I'm going up quite high. Look at me. Less and less effective. So they get to state you saw my poor dad in on the videos I did when I was back in England, just before he died, where he literally had to have oxygen pretty much all day long, and even walking from one room to the next would absolutely wreck him. So yeah, let's have a look up here. Let's show you around. So the view. I'm knackered. I'm going to keep going. So I came from that car park down there. I think looking out in front of me, you know, that smoke or rain, probably rain. It's rained pretty much every afternoon recently. Yesterday it rained all day. Okay, we're a bit more going up. Obviously if you go up, you've got to go down, but down is significantly easier, so we'll take that. Wow. Oh, that's even better. Okay, now I can really show you stuff. Oh my god. I don't know. I can't breathe. Fuck. As you can hear, it's called prayer time. Right, so I came from right down there. Go me. I don't know how far I can go from here. You got the competing calls for prayer, one side of the hill and the other. Well, they'll be all over, but that's what we can hear at the moment. I'm going to keep going up. There's still more up. Anyway, there you go. So we've made it to the top like a hero. I could, I guess, walk all the way down there and up and along there, but if you want to do it, come here, I'll show you how to go, you can do it. But I've got to say, this is a great find. I'm really happy. This is an absolutely fabulous area to be able to explore. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it like that, yeah. Look at that in front of me, we've got rain coming. So I think it's prudent, dear prudence, head back to the car. So that over there, if my radar is correct, should be Country Garden, I believe. And then to the left of that, we've got like central Old Johor, Pelangi area. Whoa, lost the hat again. All right, so going down, which will be a lot easier, although I might fall on my arse because a few really steep and slippy bits. Unlike Harold Boulder, my Tim K shoes are comfortable and aren't slipping me onto my arse. But I know what he means. There's nothing worse than a pair of shoes that you can't trust, that are gonna slip and slide all the way, which is a bit disconcerting to say the least. So what I'm stepping on is quite sinky. Right, we've got to go down this steep bit here, right, falling over and hurting our butt. Okay, we've got to go down there. That's our next bit. It's all down. So get the camera on me. I don't want you having to get sight of the dangers that I'm tackling for you. So anyway, while I'm doing this, it's now 2020. I want to say thank you for helping me hit 500 subscribers by December. When I set that target, I was just about to hit 100, and that was December 2018. And I must admit, that was my first year on YouTube, and I thought that 500 subs was a ridiculously large number to go for. And to be honest, I'm happy as Larry with that. I really am. Thank you everybody that spent more than a minute watching one of my videos. Those of you that spent less than a minute, you won't be here anyway. The ones of you that supported me through this, the ones that bothered to speak to me in the messages. So a few people I really want to mention. One is Ingaff, Pete and AJ, and the other is the other me. Those guys have been really supportive. All right, so let's finish this one here with I hope you all had a great Christmas and the New Year, and I hope that your 2020 is all you want it to be. Let's hope we all have a good one, that life's travails don't get us all too down. Okay, I've just packed up and I'm just about to ride off. Look, I've got to show you, I've just discovered, I saw just a small part of the park. Let me just show you a bit more of what's out here, if I can. Sorry, I'm just doing this live at the moment. The sound is coming directly from the camera, I apologise. I'm just on my motorbike, so I've got a whole area behind me, whole area to the side of me. This is all for me to discover. So this is another day for me. I'm going to come here again and we're going to do some more of this. I think this is pretty spectacular. I hope you've heard this. I hope you're ready. There'll be another video eventually.